With respect to cabs, I think one of the critical points is understanding all the critical parameters that goes into cab development. And with that, the primary aspects, obviously, the frame, and if you have structures relative to safety for ops, ROPS, FOPS, those are things that people are fairly well aware of. What other things are super critical? A lot of people keep HVAC till the last minute. Heating and cooling is actually a major component along with seats. Obviously, when you do with a human-machine interface, understanding how the joysticks are coming into play and the different building aspects of the cab. And I think one of the things that's really, really critical and important is understanding each parameter and how they impact the development of the cab. There's a lot of new technologies that are out now relative to CAN bus, obviously communications, but also safety protocols or safety systems that you can tell for warning if there are people around. That all lends itself into the end item, which is to sell more machines. You want to sell more machines to show people you're doing something, and part of that is people forget the cabs are where people sit every day. They don't update the cabs maybe as much as they should. Our key aspect is the ability to say, how can we help you in your design of your cabs to create scalability? If you have a cab where you want that Chevy, GMC, Cadillac kind of progression, you can have different finishes, you can have different looks, you can have different technology, different switches. You can have all your basic underlying fundamentals be the same. Those are the kind of things you need to look at. And when you bring a cab to market, you're really not only engineering a solution, you're creating the next level marketing look for your machine. Also understanding that you're really in the end trying to make your machine productive for the end customer, the end user. GS has the unique ability that we develop cabs for a lot of different groups, from forklifts to rail, and this gives us a unique perspective of what machines are in the market. Things that we've seen have worked for somebody else are now working for other groups. A great example is things we've applied into the crane market are actually going into the deicer market. Where we come into play is our ability to scale. With respect to that, then we also see what the other technologies are for other industries, and we can bring those to bear into the new development.